Hi, you may recognize me already. I sent in a bunch of videos. I took, I think by now, every single one of the various courses. Um, every single one was amazing. The fact that each person who excels in their area, they're the ones who give the course. It's not only the very someone who excels in Photoshop, she does Photoshop. Who do you excels in lighting? He's the one who gives lighting. By far, my best one, tops it all off, was Photoshop. It's a fascinating program. Hannah does it really clear. It's over Zoom. She shares her screen. You see exactly what she's doing, every single detail. And then, of course, you pause, do it on your own. Questions, she's there, happy to answer you. Until today, I send her emails. What would you do in this situation? How do you like this? Or just check out what I did. And she sends back amazing feedback. It was a great course. It was over Zoom and it felt live, but literally like I remember one Sunday I came back like 5 minutes after a photo shoot and I was flying. I had to make it, but I didn't care. I looked retarded and I needed to eat and drink or whatever. I just shut off my video camera and I was in class. Didn't have to go anywhere. It's from the comfort of your home, no traveling time involved. It was an amazing course. And now from here, I just keep learning. Photoshop is a great program to explore. There's like so much to learn. You're never done. And I use it not only for pictures, use it for anything in life because it's just a great all around program to use. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get somewhere.